Tired of readers endlessly scrolling through your Dochub documents to find what they're looking for? Let's fix that right now. Adding a table of contents in Dochub is a game changer for document navigation. And it's surprisingly easy. First, open the Dochub document you want to organize. You'll want to make sure your document has clear headings for each section. These headings will be what your table of contents pulls from, so think of them as your chapter titles. Now, navigate to the top menu bar and click on the Insert button. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this drop-down, locate and select Table of Contents. This action will immediately generate a table of contents at your current cursor position. See, just like that, your table of contents is live. Each entry in the table of contents is a clickable hyperlink, allowing your readers to jump directly to the relevant section with a single click. This dramatically improves user experience and makes your documents look incredibly professional. If you need to update your table of contents, perhaps after adding new sections or rearranging content, simply click anywhere within the generated table of contents and look for the refresh or update icon. In most cases, Dochub automatically keeps it up to date as you make changes, but a quick visual check is always a good idea. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a powerful navigation tool to your Dochub documents. This simple step can significantly enhance readability and make your shared information much more accessible. Experiment with it in your next document and see the difference it makes.